How to delete a backup on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Go to the Almost Full section as shown. You can view and manage your storage from here. Scroll down and go to Backups. Then go to the All Device Backup section and tap on your device. You can view all your backup details over here. If you want to delete an app backup from here, then scroll down to that app and turn off the switch. Tap on Turn Off again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete a backup on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.